Hi everyone. In this video, we will work on practical 3 of chapter 8 in SolidWorks CAM Black Book. So we have started SolidWorks and now we'll open the file. Select this one. Hit OK. So this is the model. We are working on practical 3 and it's machined by using a turning machine. So we will first define the machine. Click on the define machine. Now here you need to select turn single turret this one machine and click on the OK button, select button. In the tool crib, like we have discussed in previous tutorials, you need to measure various narrow distances and based on that you need to select the tools. Currently we will go with the default ones. For the post processor, you will be selecting Fanuc machine, this one, and click OK. Now we will define the coordinate system so that we can specify the Z direction. So we will select this as the origin. And let's delete this one. Click in Z and select this face. So this defines our coordinate system. Click on the OK button. Now I will define the stroke. For the stroke, this is the length. We need to make it 0 so that the back face starts exactly at the model face. Length should be 210. Okay. Now hit on the OK button. Now we'll define the turning setup. So click on turn setup. Keep everything default and click on OK button. Now click on extract machinable features. Next select this turn setup and click on generate operation plan. Okay, now if we check our model, these jaws will be interfering with our toolpaths. So for this one, we'll extend our stalk to the back side by approximately 35. So let's move it back to minus 35. Then make it to 40 again. Okay. Now hit OK. Yes, rebuild them. Now our toolpaths will be generated correctly. Note that this is for demonstration purpose only. Generally, you will be machining it in 2 steps. So you will first machine on the front side and then you will turn the part, flip the part and install it in chuck again and then machine the back side. So this way there will be 2 setups for machining in the workshop. But for this demonstration purpose we have just extended the stalk so that toolpaths can be created correctly. Okay, now we'll run a simulation. and check if toolpaths are generated correctly. Pause. Okay. Okay, here is a collision between the tool holder and the stock for groove rough. This is happening here. So what can we do for that? Well, we can increase the length of tool. So right click on this one, click on edit definition. The groove insert tab will increase the length. See 22. Now click on the holder tab and we will increase the protrusion by 10 mm, so it will be 19. Now click on the OK button. Now let's run the simulation again. Now this time it's a collision of groove finish, same thing, so we'll do the same. Increase it and increase it and OK. Now I'll run the simulation again. Now this is a collision between tool holder and stock. Well, we can ignore this one because we are not concerned about cutting off. This was for demonstration. But if you want, then you can increase the tool length the same way as discussed earlier, or you can change the pattern. Now let's increase the length of tool. For width, we can increase it by 1 mm. And now let's move back to the cutting tool. So as you can see from this tool, the holder is not centered properly, and we want cutting tool to be centered with the holder, so we will just offset it by 0.5 mm, and now this creates a centered tool. So a cutting tool will be cutting before our holder strikes with the stock. Now we can click on the OK button. Okay. Now let's run the simulation for this one only. Simulate toolpath, and this works now. So this concludes our tutorial, practical 3 of chapter 8.